How to recover my Microsoft Authenticator account. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to make sure that you have Microsoft account or Microsoft application installed in your device. Now, in order to recover your account, open it. First of all, authenticate that it's you by fingerprint or typing in password. But for security reasons, the screen might not be shown to you, but here is what you can do. So you will see a three-dot icon on your top right. As you tap onto it, tap on Send Feedback, then tap on Having Trouble at the top page. And likewise, you may go ahead and select an option of Other and type in your issue that you have forgotten your password and you would like to recover your Microsoft Authenticator account. Once you do so, all you have to do is tap on the send icon on your top right. And just like so, you will get an email, and this is how you can recover your Microsoft Authenticator account. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.